Hey everybody, it's week 2, so this week I'm going to be going over week 2's playlist with you. I'm on classwork. I scrolled down, find week 2. As promised, there's always going to be a video or an explanation of how to go about for the week and the playlist, so that's there. And then we have the playlist, and then you will find anything that we ask you to turn in on Google Classroom here, and we'll get to that when we're going through the playlist. Week 2's playlist is pretty simple. We don't have school on Monday. So on Tuesday when you guys get here, you need to start your Fall I Ready Diagnostic. And it even says start on Tuesday, and you will have the whole week to finish that. So that is basically what you're going to be doing for the week. And then after you're done with the diagnostic, you need to take this post-diagnostic survey. This just kind of helps us out, helps us get to know you a little bit better and see how you did on your diagnostic. And then you do have enrichment activities. The first step, or the first thing that you guys would do for an enrichment activity, is a vision board. And if you click here, you will find instructions on how to go about and do that. It's pretty fun, so I would check it out. And then step 2, if you get done with the vision board, move on to week 3's playlist. So that's basically week 2 in a nutshell. If you have any questions about what you're going to be expected to do this week, please raise your hand and ask now.